Good morning from Hamilton. We are on Upper James at Factory Shoe today, and we are kicking things off with a very important message. We need you to donate your gently used boots for the winter season to help keep people warm. Kathy Shaw, who is the store manager, and you've been here for how many years, Kathy?
28.
28 years, and 28 years of doing the boot drive?
Not quite, about half of that.
Wow,
I would say half.
That's remarkable.
It is.
Tell us about Factory Shoe and how it is involved with Salvation Army and the boot drive.
Okay, we started this several years ago, and it was a success. So we continued it, and in conjunction with the Salvation Army, we decided to collect gently worn winter boots, and they go directly downtown for free, and are given to people for free. So I think that's a big thing. A lot of customers ask, you know, where are these going? Are they going to be sold? And we say no, they're given out downtown, and it helps the needy, and definitely the city needs this kind of service.
It's true, because, you know, we think about, as Canadians, we know we're going to get winter. It's going to happen regardless, whether we want it or not, it's showing up. And I mean, my kids, they never like wearing winter boots, but then as soon as you get them in them and they find a pair that they love, it's all they want to wear, because they realize the difference. It's like,
for sure.
They're not cool. Oh, wait a minute, my feet are dry and warm. They're cool now. So it just puts into perspective how important it is to keep your feet warm and dry.
Definitely.
You know, and when we've got so many people living in Hamilton, downtown, that don't have access or money for things like this, that you guys are doing this drive. And it's already started.
Yes.
Yeah. So
November.
It starts the beginning of November, and it runs right until...
Well, it runs to the end of November, but we will never reject a donation.
A pair of boots.
Yeah. We'll take them all the time. As a matter of fact, we do collect boots and shoes all year round. So we do get a lot of summer shoes and things like that as well. But right now, we're trying to concentrate on the boots.
Now, how do we know as a consumer, if I've got some boots lying around at home, how do I know what's acceptable?
Well, clean.
Okay.
Like these, they're hardly worn. You know, somebody's grown out of them. You know how children grow.
Well, that's true. They can be out of them. They wear them for one season. That's it.
And if there's no sibling to pass them down to, what do you do with them? So we would appreciate that they bring them here.
Okay, that is such a good idea too.
And if they do, we will give them a $5 off coupon for their next shop in the store.
That's great.
So that'll help them out a bit if they need to replace that pair.
Okay. Well, coming up, we are going to be touring around the store, because there are so many amazing, great new fashions, not only for fall, but for winter. We're going to talk about some kids' styles as well. I love the little car that you guys have here. Too bad it doesn't fit me, Kathy. I need a bigger version.
They took the battery out, so I can't drive it.
They do that on purpose, probably. And we also have Cindy Taylor coming up from the Salvation Army to chat about the importance of the donation and where it's going. Exactly. I know Kathy mentioned it, but we'll talk more about that coming up, so make sure you stay with us. Lots more coming up on Morning Live. Giving hope today with the Salvation Army. Cindy Taylor is now joining us, talking about the boot drive here at Factory Shoe. This is such an amazing initiative. I love that Kathy's been doing this for so many years, and you've been coming to hang out with me for so many years.
I have. We are eternally grateful for this opportunity and for this boot drive. Factory Shoe and the Salvation Army have a rich history of service and supporting those in need. And the Salvation Army was founded by William Booth in 1865. Wow. And it arrived in Canada in 1882. And we have a long-standing tradition of gathering gently used items to distribute to those in need. And the Factory Shoe Boot Drive is testament to that commitment of helping us to support families in need.
Now, the people that receive these donations, how do they, if someone is in need and they need to find out more information, or if they know that they need some gently used boots for their kids or for themselves, how do they go about?
All of the gently used items are housed at 80 Bay Street North.
Okay.
And they can come in. There's usually a greeter at the door, a volunteer, who will ask, can I help you? And if they come in and say that they need some winter boots, then we will go and get them. And as Kathy said earlier, that they are given freely. There is no charge.
Because quite often people distinguish, the needy by, necessarily being homeless, but sometimes that's not the case. Sometimes you've got people that are just financially in a really bad situation.
There has been a recent report by the Salvation Army on poverty, and 6 in 10 families are struggling to make their limited resources.
The ends meet, yeah.
That's correct. And so this is a wonderful opportunity, because then they can get other basic needs such as food, or paying the rent. Everyone is struggling. So for us, the generous partnership we have with with Factory Shoe, or the people who come and donate. It just helps us to continue our mission of helping those most vulnerable.
Yeah, and that's what we want to do, especially in these cold winter months. I mean, Christmas is right around the corner. We're going to be trudging through snow and slush before we know it. And so if you do have any gently used boots, that's what they're looking for at this time of year. But keep in mind, Factory Shoe also does summer shoes. They collect sandals all year round because, there's vacationers that go away in the wintertime. They also accept coats for adults as well as youth at this time of year, so any donation would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much, Cindy. Coming up, we're talking about all fall fashion and winter fashion. Make sure you stay with us. Back here at Factory Shoe, and Chantel joining us now. You've done these segments with me before, and you always kind of give me like the cuteness overload, because even though my kids are way too big to fit into some of these boots, these little babies are the sweetest little things, and they wear them for maybe 10 minutes and then they take them off, but if you can get them into them, they'll keep their feet warm.
They're good because they're also completely
so easy
for like toddlers to get into.
Get on
Even
and off.
the girls ones just completely open up.
Look how cute they are.
I mean, they'll probably outgrow them before they
That's
actually
what I mean.
use them, but at least
it's true. But those getting out to the car, and when they do want to go out and play in the snow, because whether we like it or not, it's coming. Let's talk about some of the brands that you have here.
So we got Baffin's, also a Canadian brand made.
So cute.
Yes. Very cute.
Oh my gosh, they're adorable.
Collapsible, so they're very easy to be packed.
Oh yeah.
They're waterproof, and then they have they're nylon resistant, so if you got a tear, they won't just tear all the way through.
Oh, that works. So okay, I get that, and they're easy to do up, easy to take off, because getting kids into snowsuits and snow boots is like the worst thing ever.
And they're completely almost slip-on for the kids.
Yeah.
So it's very easy for them to get into.
Yeah.
And they start at a toddler size 6 and they go up to a youth size 4. So range of sizes.
Okay. So we've got Sorel, we've got Baffin.
We got Pajar, which is a new brand for this year.
Those are bouge.
They also bought a Cougar, another Canadian brand.
Oh, okay.
So a lot of Canadian brands this year.
I love that. Everybody is focused on consuming Canadian products.
And they've been around since 1963.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Okay, so that is longevity. That means good.
That does mean good.
Okay, what about these ones? These are cool.
Those are for the youth boys.
Okay.
Easy for the kids to get on, kind of like a pull system.
And they're almost like a shoe boot.
Yeah. I find the boys don't want something heavy, they want something.
They want something they can still run in.
Yes.
Yeah, like my guy has been wearing something like this forever because he hates the boots that are higher. He doesn't care if the snow gets in, apparently. But
they don't want a heavy boot. They want something light.
They want to still be able to run and play.
That's what we wanted to highlight this year, is a lot of lighter boots for the kids because they're all running around anyways.
Yeah, exactly. These are cute too. Which ones are these?
Those are bogs.
Oh my gosh, they're the bogs. They're the best.
They are the best. You can use them for early winter, going into like late
Right
winter,
into,
and
yeah.
an early spring type of deal.
Oh, those are perfect. So
And it's almost like a 3-season boot,
Yeah,
basically.
they're awesome.
Good for this type of weather as well.
It's true. It's cold, but it's not yet
Yeah,
snowy.
yes.
Okay, let's talk about some of the gloves.
And we got some new mittens for the kids this year, brand new. We also got ones that for the toddlers, you can zip
Oh, we had these.
right into.
Yeah, because
And
these
open
ones,
up.
they can go over the snowsuit.
Yes.
And then the snow doesn't get in their time. Oh my gosh, look at how little these are, you guys. Oh my. Like, ooh, ooh. Okay, coming up, we're going to talk about adult styles. What are we wearing this fall and winter? Make sure you stay with us. So much more from Hamilton at Factory Shoe. Well, 'tis the season. You might need a new pair of boots. I'm at Factory Shoe. Chantel is helping to get me outfitted in a brand new pair. Now, as soon as I said, hey, let me try on a pair of boots, you knew exactly the ones that I should try.
Exactly.
Why?
They're Kizik, so it's a brand new brand for this year, and a lot of people, don't like to bend over and tie up their
course.
shoes.
Of course.
This whole brand emphasizes on hands-free product. So you just step right into them. No
What?
need to do the laces or anything.
Let me see that.
So you just throw it on the floor, and you just step right into them.
Just like that.
And
oh
that's
my
the whole
gosh.
idea. It's pretty cool. They actually test their product about
But wait,
10,000 times
10,000 times?
to make sure that it actually the back doesn't break down.
Well, because that's always my fear with slip-ons is like, okay, well, is the back going to crush off? But now that I've tightened them, am I still going to be able to do the same thing?
Yep.
I'm literally,
You're-
sure?
Yep.
And I'm just going to be able to,
Pull it right off.
uh-oh, you're going to see my feet in a second. My sock came off. Oh no, nobody needs to see my feet. They're unpedicured. Okay.
But that's the whole idea out of it.
And now I'm just going to be able to,
Just step right into them.
oh my gosh. And I tightened them so tight too. That's
And
incredible.
they're a great brand. They're orthotic friendly.
Oh yeah, let me have the other one. And I don't even, okay, hands off, standing up.
Great for on-the-go parents.
See you later, I'm out. And like good like shoes to slip
Yeah.
on because like I'll put on my slides, but I will never sit down and tie up running shoes if I'm running out to the garage.
Exactly.
I'll just wear
and
my
the thing
socks.
is the back of the shoe will
Yeah.
break down faster than the actual
Oh
shoe.
my gosh, these are brilliant.
But these ones,
Brilliant.
they test it about over. They do 10,000 times, which they say is equivalent to like 10 years of us putting on the shoe on and off.
Oh my, okay, there's no way they're gonna last 10 years.
Well, no, but
But you never
They're-
know, you never know. Okay, let's quickly run down an aisle of your
yeah, we
winter
have
boots.
so many this year. We got fashion.
Okay,
We got loads of winter.
I love the
And
winters.
we always will have people's sizes in stock. As you can see, we have plenty of overhead.
Mm-hmm.
So if we don't have your size, it's just up all in our overheads.
Oh, that's amazing.
All the brand new styles. We got Kamix, we got the Bogs, we got Echoes.
Wait a second, you get bogs for adults too?
Yes.
Why did I only think they were for kids? I was wrong. These are
And they're
awesome.
very fluffy, very
Super fluffy. Super fluffy.
super comfortable.
Super warm. And super comfortable. I didn't know that bogs
And
came in adult sizes.
People, I mean, for the more of the seniors,
Yeah.
ice flip clips, which
What are those? I don't get
comes
it.
with a little tool.
Oh.
You just
flip it up.
flip it up if it wants to work today.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Smart.
So you don't fall on the ice.
And then where do you put the little clip? You just keep the clip
on
in
the
your house
opposite
kind of
boot
thing?
has a little.
Oh, it's got a little pocket for the thing.
They're very smart on their products.
This is awesome. Oh my gosh, just really cool, nice styles here at Factory Shoe. You have to come in, you gotta check them out. And
Very.
of course, donate to the boot drive. Salvation Army will appreciate everything that you can bring in, as well as jackets.
Jackets, gloves, scarves,
Anything.
anything.
Anything, as long as it's gently used, they will accept it and appreciate your generous donation. Well, thanks so much for having us.
No problem.
It is always a fabulous time here at Factory Shoe in Hamilton. For more information, you can check out their website, or you can check it out on our website at chch.com.